Hey guys, what's up? It's Parker. We have another cut from Welcome Home Beef. Today, we're gonna be working on a nice, affordable cut called the beef chain. This is typically cut from your tenderloin, and most people don't even think about this, but it's actually a really, really nice cut. And we're gonna work with this today and make a nice Asian steak roll-up using some zucchini, bell pepper, mushrooms, and mozzarella. We'll make a little marinade for it right quick, and we're gonna get going, guys. All right, guys, so what I did here, I trimmed off a lot of the excess fat in the silver skin. And while I did that, I also made this nice marinade with a little bit of olive oil, soy sauce, lemon juice, brown sugar, minced garlic, ground ginger, and a little bit of red chili flakes. And I added a chili to add a little bit of heat to it out of our own cameraman's garden. And so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna chop these up nice and thin so we can add all of our vegetables after we cook them down. And I'll be back after I get these nice. All right, guys, so we got our meat all tenderized and cut up now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put all these in a Ziploc bag. And then you're gonna add your marinade. And after you do that, you're gonna let it sit in the fridge for about 2 hours. And then we're gonna start cooking our vegetables, guys. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna get our bell peppers and zucchini, cut into little matchsticks, throw them in the pan. We'll let these cook down a little bit, and then we're gonna add our mushrooms last, because they're gonna take a lot less time than zucchini, and we'll be back after these are done. All right, guys, so these are all cooked down now. What we're gonna do, we'll put them on the plate. All right, and now we're gonna take our steaks out, and we're gonna start making these steak roll-ups. We're gonna throw them on. All right, guys, so our meat's done marinating now. All our vegetables are cooked, so what we're gonna do, we're just gonna add all of our veggies. And we're gonna do a little mozzarella cheese in the middle. Just gonna roll it up. Get a few toothpicks. Stick them in there. Just like that. We're gonna go throw them on the grill. All right, guys, we got our grill super hot now. We're just gonna add these to it. And you only want to let these go for about maybe 2 minutes each side. It's super thin, and the grill's super hot, so it's not gonna take long at all. And we'll be right back in a few minutes when these are done. Guys, these are on the grill for about 2 or 3 minutes now. Just go pull them. All right, and what we're gonna do, we get these all off. We're gonna go let these rest inside for about 10 minutes. And then we're gonna plate them up. All right, guys, this is our finished product right here. Let these sit about 10 minutes. Look at that, looks delicious. Only one thing left to do, guys. That's to try it. Super tender. The marinade tastes great with it. It's a really, really cheap cut. You can make for tailgating, pre-games, anything like that. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Y'all have a great night.